your girl Yolanda over here at 4EVA LANDA, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stick around. Over here we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we even do a little cooking. So today we're doing a monthly plan with me spread, and I'm super excited because I'm doing the July spread. It is my birthday month. So if you would like to see how I plan for the month and what kind of decor that I use, then stick around. So let's go ahead and get started, everybody. So if you're a returning viewer, you know that I use my LV desk agenda to help me with my paper planning that I do. And so today we're going to use our fold out monthly insert and to go ahead and plan with it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this aside, and just so you know, because it is my birthday month, I've pulled some washi. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of it. So I have this washi that has like happy birthday and a ton of colors. I have one with balloons and stars and celebrate. So I'm gonna try to use some of this washi in my planner. And also I'm going to be using these sticker books. I may pull from another, it just depends. I'm using the Celebrate sticker book, I'm using the Happy Quotes sticker book, and I'm using the Colorful Boxes sticker book. I'll be sure to link these in the description box below, so you can grab these up. If you don't have this book, I have multiples of this book. It is the best book, especially if you're one of those people that likes decor and function as part of your planner. If you haven't seen it yet, I do have a video up regarding decor versus function in a planner, so definitely check that out. So here are the monthly inserts that we'll be using and decorating. So I'm going to just kind of be doing a little something. I kind of know where I want to go with this, so we'll see if it turns out the way I envision. If you've watched any of my planning monthly planning spread videos before, you know I typically like to do something down the middle to help reinforce when I go back and punch holes. So my plan is, since it is my birthday, is to really kind of do a ton of balloons here. And I'm thinking that the balloons that I want to use, which is in this Celebrate book, I think I want to use these white balloons here. So they're white and some sprinkles. So I think what I may do to keep with that color scheme is to kind of go with this washi here. So I'm going to go ahead and just decorate, and then we'll come back and we'll talk later. Hey, I'm back. And this is what my month looks like right now. Of course, things may change, things may get added, but I'm happy with all the bright colors, and it still is not super busy. You can definitely know that I'm celebrating all month long for my birthday. So my birthday is actually the 9th, and just a couple of things I kind of want to tell you all about is that I'm part of the Collab Circle, and I'll make sure in the description box to include the link to our Instagram profile, so you can join us over there. But also over on Clubhouse, every Monday we do Monday motivations at 8 a.m. So I'll include the link as well to our club on Clubhouse so you can join us for Monday motivation. And we also do Clappy Hour. So what's Clappy Hour? That's where we come together and we celebrate our wins. We encourage each other. We support each other. We also make our goals verbal, and we serve as each other's accountability partners. So another thing is on the 17th, we will be doing a social media class. So it's third quarter must-have content. So if you're an entrepreneur, influencer, and you're super busy and super productive using social media, you don't want to miss this class. It is virtual, it is free, and I'll be sure to include the link below in the description box to our class, third quarter content must have. So don't forget to wish me a happy birthday. Happy birthday! And let's go ahead and get this finished up so we can plop it into our agenda. We will be showing our second quarter flip through so you can kind of see how we used our agenda for the second quarter, and we'll also be talking about some other things this month. So let's finish with this, and then we'll come back and catch you on the other side. So I'm using this. You've probably heard me talk about this before. I love this. It helps me. I don't know about you, but I cannot for the life of me cut in a straight line. So I do use this. It's very portable. I'll be sure to link it below. Always, whenever you see me do anything over here, I always try to link whatever I'm using below in the description box. So always check out the description box if you're interested in any of the products that I show. So this is last month, and here's a sneak peek at new products, and we're just gonna plop in this month. So again, this is your girl Yolanda over here at 4EVA LANDA. And over here we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we do a little kitchen. I said it again, a little kitchen. Sometimes we do a little cooking. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our monthly plan with us. Be sure to subscribe. Go ahead and turn on that notification bell. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So thank you all so much again. And we're going to say bye-bye now. See you later.